I couldn't believe my eyes. Just a few weeks after using this homemade fertilizer, my plants transformed, lush, vibrant, and absolutely thriving. It was as if they had been given a secret elixir of life, and I had to share this game-changing discovery with you. If you're tired of spending money on store-bought fertilizers or worried about chemical-laden products, this is your answer. With just a few simple ingredients, things you probably already have in your kitchen, you can create a powerhouse fertilizer that supercharges your plants, improves soil health, and promotes strong, healthy growth. Great plants start with great nutrition, and this homemade fertilizer is packed with the essential nutrients plants crave. The three key elements every plant needs are nitrogen, for leafy growth phosphorus, for strong roots and flowering, and potassium, for overall resilience and fruit production. But beyond these basics, this natural formula enhances soil life, encourages beneficial microbes, and keeps your garden thriving long-term. The best part? Unlike synthetic fertilizers that can lead to nutrient imbalances and soil depletion over time, this organic mix builds up soil fertility, ensuring that your plants receive a steady, balanced diet. After experimenting with countless DIY plant boosters, I finally found the perfect combination. This mixture provides everything plants need and delivers results fast. Banana peels. An incredible source of potassium and phosphorus, banana peels help boost flowering and root development. I chop them up and mix them into the soil or blend them with water to create a nutrient-rich spray. Crushed eggshells. These provide a slow-release source of calcium, which prevents common issues like blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. I crush them finely and mix them into the soil around my plants. Used coffee grounds, a fantastic nitrogen source. Coffee grounds improve soil texture and help plants develop lush green foliage. I let them dry before sprinkling them on top of the soil to prevent mold. Epsom salt. This provides magnesium and sulfur, two crucial minerals for chlorophyll production and overall plant health. A teaspoon dissolved in a gallon of water makes an excellent foliar spray or soil drench. Molasses. A little-known gardening secret, molasses feeds beneficial soil bacteria and helps unlock nutrients for plant absorption. I mix a tablespoon into water and use it as a root drench for an extra boost. Application is key to getting the best results from this natural fertilizer. For seedlings and young plants, I mix a small amount of this fertilizer into the soil before planting. This gives them a slow-release nutrient boost without overwhelming their delicate roots. For flowering and fruiting plants, once they start forming buds or flowers, I apply this fertilizer every 2 weeks. I focus on adding banana peels and eggshells to enhance phosphorus and calcium availability. For leafy greens and herbs, since these plants thrive on nitrogen, I add extra coffee grounds to their soil once a week. This encourages fast, lush leaf growth. As a foliar spray, I mix Epsom salt and molasses with water and mist the leaves of my plants in the morning. This allows them to absorb nutrients directly and results in greener, healthier foliage. Within weeks of using this homemade fertilizer, I saw an astonishing transformation. My tomato plants produced more fruit than ever before. My flowers bloomed in vibrant colors, and even my container plants, often prone to nutrient deficiencies, were thriving. But the benefits didn't stop at plant growth. I also noticed an increase in earthworms and beneficial microbes in my soil, which improved its structure and drainage. My plants became more resistant to pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical sprays. Beyond the garden, this fertilizer helped me reduce kitchen waste, making my gardening practice more sustainable and eco-friendly. Instead of tossing banana peels, eggshells, and coffee grounds, I turned them into a powerful natural fertilizer that cost me nothing but delivered incredible results. Overusing coffee grounds too much can make soil acidic, which some plants don't like. I balance coffee grounds with alkaline ingredients like eggshells to maintain pH balance. Applying too frequently, fertilizing too often can overwhelm plants and lead to excessive foliage growth with fewer flowers or fruits. I stick to a schedule of every 1 to 2 weeks. Not watering properly. Nutrients need moisture to be absorbed effectively. I always water my plants before applying fertilizer to prevent root shock. Using moldy or rotten materials. Decomposing organic matter is great, but moldy food scraps can introduce harmful bacteria. I use fresh materials and compost anything that's gone bad before using it in my garden. If you've been looking for an easy, natural way to give your plants the best possible care, this homemade fertilizer is a game changer. It's simple, effective, and completely free, proving that sometimes the best solutions are the ones nature provides. Give it a try and let me know how it works for your garden. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Botanical Bliss and share this with fellow plant lovers. Let's grow a healthier, greener world together.